The assignment today. Has anyone read it?
Yeah, IMDb.
Okay. Have we looked at it?
IMDb website. Yeah, I just looked at it.
Well, you don't have to build the IMDb, but I've already built an example for you guys to look at.
Yeah.
You can. Yeah. All right. So what are the main things that we see, guys? We see a navigation bar, a sidebar, some components that represent movies, right? These components have titles, they have popularities, ratings, additional data. Guess how we get that data? Yes. One of you guys said that we wish. I was going to be upset. No, we do not wish, okay? We call an API, we get some data back from it, we parse it, and then inside that data, guess what there's going to be right here? Guess. Is it going to be a string? We're going to... Huh? Yes, we're going to find an array of objects. And then we're going to use those objects to produce this HTML. Okay? Additionally, if you guys want to have more sophisticated behavior, then you're going to need to filter. You're going to need to map. For each individual movie, you need to look at a little piece of its data and then determine what genre it's a part of. Okay, so this gets sophisticated. There's a lot more challenges to be done. Also, you guys can implement additional features. This is just an idea of what's possible, right? For example, we only have one more war movie here. We click it, we see one war movie, right? And do we see a genre war in there? Yes, we do. So if we were to, for example, select history, I expect to see Schindler's List again.
Where is
History?
it?
Right there.
Yeah.
And we still see that one? So now I expect if we select action, we don't see this movie. Can we see it? No. Lastly, if we click the more button, we should see additional movies come in. And now we get additional movies. Okay, so this is following the same pattern of everything we've done so far in class. The only difference is that we're using React. Okay, so we're gonna have to figure out how to hide and show certain components. We're gonna have to figure out how to ask these and produce certain components based on its inputs. Okay. So here's some things to think about. Hua also has his.
Super.
Incredible.
Oh my gosh, yours is really nice.
Do you have any questions on how to build something like this? Yes.
So we're dividing things into components, how small do we go? What do we consider, how do we group some components together that are similar? Like the description section maybe has description with those tags in it.
I would suggest you guys put everything inside of app.js. Just leave everything in there. And as that file starts getting longer, you're gonna start seeing logical chunks that you can extract out.
But when we're mapping it out originally, because you said plan first.
So for example, I would say plan. When I would say plan, I would just think navbar, sidebar. For me, in my example, it's navbar, sidebar, and then the other component inside that holds all the main content. And then after that, I figure out everything else. So we could do that, Do you guys want to see a live demo? Yeah?
No.
We do a live demo.
This is how it works.
I know, but you do the live demo for the first part. We do the live demo for the first part. Just like the Canvas game, man.
No, I mean, this is the same with the yesterday's stuff. What's so different, though?
I know, but you should do a live demo give to the conference.
I'm sorry, I'm everything. I'm doing if there's a go in the afternoon, there's another one. This is stuff. First, I don't think.
Fine. See how this goes. Okay. All right, so that's no